country, not this country. Follow me. Trump has got to go. Hey, hey.
Because we have to be here today. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want? What do we want?
All right, one more time for Tony G. To get ourselves ready to march, we're going to start over here. We're going to march in the street. We're going to go down 15th Street.
Watch out, watch out, move. I'm a veteran. This country, not this. Back up, back up.